Welcome back, fellow nature enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Fauna Crew. Today, we are delving into one of the most awe-inspiring spectacles of the animal kingdom, the great migration of wild animals in Africa. Join me as we embark on a virtual journey through the Serengeti and Masai Mara to witness this extraordinary event firsthand. The Great Migration is a breathtaking natural phenomenon that involves millions of wildebeests, zebras, and other wildlife species embarking on an epic journey across vast landscapes. It's a magnificent display of survival, endurance, and the intricate balance of nature. The migration is a cyclical pattern driven by the changing seasons and the search for food and water. Let's take a closer look at the stages of this incredible journey. During the dry season, the herds gather on the Serengeti plains, feeding on the grasses and preparing for the challenges ahead. The once lush grasslands start to dry up, and water sources become scarce. As the herds push forward, they face one of the most perilous obstacles, the river crossings. With crocodiles lurking beneath the surface, the animals must summon their courage and navigate the treacherous waters to reach greener pastures. The Great Migration is a time of abundance and opportunity for predators. Hungry lions, crafty hyenas, and swift cheetahs patiently wait for the chance to seize their next meal. It's a constant dance between life and death on the African savanna. Amidst the chaos, the Great Migration coincides with the wildebeest calving season. Thousands of adorable calves are born, adding an extra layer of vulnerability and ensuring a feast for predators. Witnessing the circle of life unfold before your eyes is truly remarkable. The Great Migration is not only a natural spectacle but also a crucial process that shapes the ecosystem. The grazing patterns of these immense herds help maintain the grasslands, benefiting other herbivores and promoting biodiversity. Absolutely fascinating! Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and beauty of this migration through some stunning footage captured by talented wildlife photographers. The Great Migration truly takes our breath away. Tease a powerful reminder of the wonders of nature and the need to protect and conserve these precious habitats for future generations. Before we wrap up this episode, I urge you to join the Fauna Crew in spreading awareness about wildlife conservation. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that future generations get to witness the awe-inspiring Great Migration. That concludes our adventure into the Great Migration of wild animals. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes of Fauna Crew, where we explore the wonders of the natural world and learn how we can protect and preserve our incredible planet. Remember, nature is calling, and it's time for us to answer.